Hello, and welcome to Romeo and Juliet, Section 4, Lesson 6, The Theme's the Thing. Today you will gather evidence to support the claim you created. You will compose a written response to the following questions. Determine a theme that is developed in the last scene of Romeo and Juliet. Compare and contrast the way the theme is developed in the text and how the theme is developed in the film. For this lesson, you will need your reading response journal, your organization reference guide, your text theme or understanding tool posted back in Lesson 1.3, and your film theme understanding tool posted back in Lesson 1.4. Here is our culminating writing task prompt. What theme is developed in the last scene of Romeo and Juliet? Choose one film version of the play and discuss what choices the director made when creating a film version of the scene. How do these choices enhance or detract from the themes developed in the play? Here are our learning targets for this lesson. Can you successfully complete the section diagnostic? To begin, we're going to review the prompt and any claims you have formed and evidence you have gathered. You will review the organization reference guide. Remember that our prompt is determine a theme that is developed in the last scene of Romeo and Juliet. Compare and contrast the way that theme is developed in the text and how that theme is developed in the film. You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity. Now you will write a thesis statement in your reading response journal. You will need to be sure that your thesis statement addresses the prompt, states your response and presents your supporting claims, and previews the organization of your work. You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity in your reading response journal. And if you notice in the lesson post, I have included a sentence frame for your thesis statement. As well as here. In Act 5, Scene 3 of Romeo and Juliet, the film theme of blank is developed through blank, but is developed in the film blank through blank. Again, you'll have 5 minutes to complete this activity. Now again, you're going to review the prompt, your thesis statement, and the evidence you have gathered. You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity and make sure that you have the evidence gathered that you will need to complete your assignment. Now you're going to read your thesis statement to your partner. With your partner, you're going to determine if your thesis statement addresses all parts of the prompt. But you need to be sure that your thesis statement addresses the prompt, states your response and presents your supporting claims, and previews the organization of your work. You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity. And again, you're going to review the prompt, your thesis statement, and the evidence you have gathered, again to make sure that you have as much evidence as you need to complete the activity. Another 5 minutes for this activity. Now you're going to read the prompt. Determine a theme that is developed in the last scene of Romeo and Juliet. Compare and contrast the way the theme is developed in the text and how that theme is developed in the film. In your reading response journal, you are going to create a draft that addresses the prompt. You will use your text theme understanding tool and your film theme understanding tool as you create your draft. You will need to be sure to state your claim clearly and provide supporting evidence as you create your draft. You will have 35 minutes to complete this activity. But before we do, I want to go over a few more items. You need to make sure as you draft your paragraph that you include a topic sentence and that your paragraph develops the topic sentence. Once you have created your draft, you will need to review the prompt and the section diagnostic checklist and make sure that your response addresses the prompt and that your response meets the expectations. Again, you will have 35 minutes to complete this activity. Congratulations! You have completed Section 4, Lesson 6 of the Romeo and Juliet unit. In this lesson, you successfully completed the section diagnostic.